Welcome to a modern ice cream manufacturing factory. Today, we'll show you the complete process of how fresh milk is turned into the smooth and delicious ice cream we all love. The journey begins when chilled milk tankers arrive at the factory. The milk is pumped into large stainless steel storage tanks, where it is immediately filtered to remove any impurities. Next, the fresh milk is combined with sugar, cream, and stabilizers inside a massive mixing tank. Industrial mixers blend everything together, creating a rich and creamy ice cream base. After mixing, the base enters the homogenizer, where high pressure breaks down fat molecules to make the texture perfectly smooth. This is an essential step for premium quality ice cream. Now the mixture moves into the pasteurization chamber. Here, the ice cream mix is heated to a specific temperature to kill any harmful bacteria and ensure complete safety. After heating, the mix is rapidly cooled to preserve its flavor and freshness. The cooled mixture flows into aging tanks, where it rests for several hours at a controlled temperature. This aging process improves texture and helps the ice cream freeze evenly later on. Next, the aged mix travels to the continuous freezing machine. Inside this machine, the mix is chilled quickly while air is whipped into it, transforming the liquid mixture into soft, creamy ice cream. This is the stage where flavors are added. Chocolate chips, fruits, nuts, or cookie pieces are blended into the ice cream through a flavor feeder. The ice cream now looks thick, smooth, and fully ready. The soft ice cream moves toward the filling line. High-speed filling machines dispense the ice cream into cups, tubs, and family-size containers with perfect accuracy. Immediately after filling, a sealing machine places airtight lids on every container to keep the ice cream fresh and hygienic. The sealed cups enter a rapid cooling tunnel that brings the temperature down so the ice cream becomes firm and stable. This prevents melting during packaging. Each cup then passes through a date coding machine, which prints the manufacturing and expiration dates. Next, robotic arms arrange the ice cream cups onto trays and pack them into cardboard boxes. An automatic box sealing machine tapes the cartons before sending them to the cold storage area. Inside the frozen warehouse, pallets of ice cream cartons are stacked neatly and kept at sub-zero temperatures to maintain perfect quality. Finally, refrigerated trucks are loaded with these cartons and sent to supermarkets and stores around the world. From fresh milk to frozen perfection, this modern factory uses advanced technology and strict quality control to create the delicious ice cream enjoyed by millions every day.